In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a row in Smartsheet. Smartsheet is an extremely useful tool for managing projects, organizing data, and collaborating with teams. One of its key features is the ability to dynamically handle your data, including the ability to insert rows whenever you need them. Whether you're adjusting your project timeline, adding a new task, or simply reorganizing your sheet, knowing how to insert a row is a fundamental skill that will enhance your efficiency. So, let's dive right in. To start, navigate to your Smartsheet project where you need to insert a row. Once you have your sheet open, the first thing you want to do is locate the specific spot where the new row is needed. This step is crucial because inserting a row in the wrong place can disrupt your data and cause confusion. Look carefully at your sheet and decide exactly where this new row should fit in context with the information surrounding it. Now, with your cursor, click on the row number on the far left of your sheet where you want to insert a new row. This will highlight the entire row, indicating that you're selecting it. It's important to remember, particularly if you're working on a busy or complex sheet, to double-check that you're selecting the correct row. This ensures your data remains accurate and organized, maintaining the integrity of your project. Once you've selected the appropriate row, move the cursor over the highlighted area and right-click on the row number. This action will open a context menu. The context menu is a small window that appears and provides various options specifically related to your selection. In this case, it offers options to adjust and manipulate the rows in your sheet. Within this context menu, you're going to see two options related to inserting a row. You can either choose Insert Row Above if you want to place the new row above your current selection, or Insert Row Below if you prefer it to be below. Make your choice based on the logical flow of your data or your project needs. For instance, if you're adding a subtask, you might choose to add it beneath the related task. On the other hand, if you're adding an overarching category, it might make more sense to place it above. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently add rows to your Smartsheet, ensuring your data remains organized and up to date. Remember, mastering these basic functions will greatly streamline your workflow and make using Smartsheet a more powerful experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more handy Smartsheet tips and tricks.